right, graph 17. We want to know the domain and range of this. Okay, so let's talk domain. Let's deal with the domain. The domain, which x's have values? When I'm here at -5, it has no value. The values of the x's seem to go, we're going left to right. So as I'm moving, I don't have anything, and boom, I hit right here, and they have values all the way over here to what? 3. So the domain is going to be from -4, let's put it in interval notation first, -4 over to 3. Starts at -4, ends at 3. Now, parenthesis would mean it doesn't include it. Bracket would mean it does include it. Right here at -4, right there, it did not include it. It was an open circle, so I'm putting a parenthesis. When I got here to 3, though, it was darkened, so it included it, so I put a bracket. That is the interval notation. Inequality, we would say, hey, -4 to 3, x is between them. Alligators are going to eat towards the bigger number, which will always be to the right. -4, it did not include it, but 3 it did, so I put in or equal to. There's your domain. Okay, that's our domain. Let's erase this now, and let's look at our range. Our range is up and down. Those are our y values. Okay, so if I start moving, have I hit anything yet? No, boom, right here at -2, you hit something. So it starts at -2, and it continues up to a height of what? Right here to a height of 1. Now, parenthesis includes it, parenthesis doesn't include it, bracket does include it. So right here when I got to -2, it included it because it was darkened, so I put a bracket. When it got to a height of 1, it did not include it. It was an open circle, so I put a parenthesis. Now, again, this is our range. This is the interval notation. As an inequality, it's simply going from -2 to 1. Range are y's. Don't put an x there, a y. Alligators will always eat to the right-hand side because the bigger number is going to be on the right-hand side. -2, notice at this height, it included it, so we put the or equal to. Here at a height of 1, it was open, so it did not include it, so I leave it alone. There we go for number 17.